Presenting today another super easy but equally delectable fish recipe. I have tried this with other fishes, but pomfret stood out unique among them all. Please try this recipe and let me know how you feel about it. Though if you like spicy recipes like me, then this is ideal for you. Little tangy which goes along with white rice or boiled rice. Hello and welcome back to Cooking Story, and this is Smita. So let's check the ingredient to make this recipe. And the ingredients are garam masala, yogurt, tomato, onion, garlic, green chilli, salt, turmeric powder, red chilli powder, and with that our lovely silver pomfret. First of all, let us take the pomfret. Now wash it thoroughly and then add half teaspoon of salt and half teaspoon of turmeric powder. Mix everything well and marinate it for 10-15 minutes before frying these fishes. Now it's time to fry the fishes nicely until they turn golden brown in color. Heat oil in a pan on a medium to high flame. Since these are sea fishes, they have a kind of powerful smell which may not be liked by many. In order to get rid of that, you need to fry them for 2 to 3 minutes from both the sides. Then remove it and keep it on the other side. On the other side, take another pan, add 1 teaspoon of mustard oil, and once the oil heat up, then add 1 onion, cut it into big pieces, same with 1 tomato, then add 4 to 6 garlic cloves and 2 green chillies. Now saute it for 3 to 4 minutes until it changes color, then remove it from the pan and with the help of a mixer grinder make a smooth paste. Though, do you know that pomfret fish is considered good for health? It is a nutritious seafood option that is rich in protein, vitamin, and minerals. It is also a good source of omega-3 fatty acid which provide various health benefits such as promoting heart health and supporting brain function. Now, remove it from the pan and place it on a mixer grinder. Make a smooth paste. Once you are done, then drop this mixture into 2 teaspoons of mustard oil and now stir it well and saute it for 3 to 4 minutes until oil starts to release. Then add salt as per your taste. After that, add half teaspoon of red chilli powder, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, and 1 tablespoon of yogurt. At this point of time, make the flame very low and stir continuously so the yogurt mix well with the masala. When it mix well and oil start to release from the edges, at this point add 1 cup of water, cover and cook in a low flame until the water reduces to half. Now once you come back, open the cover of the pan, stir it well, then add our fried pomfret fish and sprinkle half teaspoon of garam masala from the top. With that, add 2 to 3 green chillies. Then cover and cook in a very low flame so that the spices enter the fishes well and oil releases at the top. Next, open and check and you will see that the spicy pomfret is ready to serve with steaming rice. No wonder I found it an amazing recipe to share with you. Do let me know if you feel the same. And if you like today's recipe, then don't forget to subscribe my channel Cooking Story and hit the bell icon so whenever I upload new recipes, you get the notification first. So stay healthy, stay wealthy, enjoy cooking. See you again with another new recipe. Till then, enjoy!